So hello, good day. So today we are looking at these questions. Okay, so in this question, we are asked to find the integral of this function, and this function. Okay, if we observe the function carefully, we will see that the bracket is a linear function. What is inside the bracket is a linear function. So if it happens to be a linear function, then we have to apply the procedure we dealt with the last time. Okay, which means each of these can be expressed as ax plus b raised to power n. That is something like this. That is dx. So each of these can be expressed as this. Okay? So as long as we can express it as this, then it means we can solve this, and solve this using this procedure. And we know when it is like this, it's gonna be ax plus b raised to power n plus 1, then all over n plus 1, then multiply by 1 over a, right? Okay, plus c. So it means once we do that, we'll be able to get this. So we can express it as this, okay? So how do we express this? For this one, it's going to be x raised to power 4 minus 3x raised to power 5. Okay? Raised to power minus 5. Because it is at the denominator. If it is to go to the denominator, it's going to be just about minus 5, right? So, and when it is like this, then we can use this formula to find the solution to it, right? So this is going to be 4 minus 3x raised to power minus 5 plus 1 all over minus 5 plus 1. Then times 1 all over minus 3. That is the coefficient of x in that bracket, okay, plus c. So this is the final answer. We just need to simplify further, okay. So this is just going to be 4 minus 3x raised to power minus 4 all over minus 4 times minus 3 plus c. And that will be, when this multiplies, that will be 12, 1 over 12. Then 4 minus, this is also minus, you send it back to the denominator, okay. So this is just going to be 1 over n plus c. Okay, that's it for this one. For the second one, is just going to be, you take this one to the numerator as well. And you know this is cube root. For cube root, it's going to be raised to power 1 over 3. So if it is to go to the numerator, it's going to be minus 1 over 3. So that was 1 minus 3y raised to power minus 1 over 3 the y. Okay? So we can now use this formula to solve it. That will be 1 minus 3y raised to power minus 1 over 3 plus 1 over minus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay? And times 1 all over minus 3. Okay? Then plus c. Right? Okay? So for this now, is now going to be um 3 times 1, 3, minus 1. That's 2 all over 3. Right? So 1 minus 3y raised to power 2 over 3 all over 2 over 3 times minus 3 plus c. Okay? So if this one is to go to the numerator, it's going to be 3 all over 2. Right? So this is going to be 3 all over 2. Then this one minus 1 over 3. Okay? And this is what? 1 minus 3y raised to power 2 over 3 plus c. So this is going to cut this. So we are left with minus 1 over 2. Okay? Minus 1 over 2. And this is going to be 1 minus 3y raised to power 2 over 3 plus c. Okay? So that is the final answer. Okay? So let's look at the third one. For the third one, we just need to So for this third one, it's going to be integral. Now, this is square root, right? So it's just going to be 7t plus 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 to t. Okay? So that's the way we express it. Okay? Now, this is now going to be 7t plus 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1, right? Times 1 over 7. That is the coefficient of t, the inverse. We multiply it by that, n plus c. So that's it. So we just need to simplify to get the final answer. We have carried out our integration here. Okay? So 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 1, that's 3, all over 2. Right? So this is just 7t plus 5 raised to the power 3 over 2, all over 3 over 2. Then times 1 over 7 plus c. Okay? So from here now, this is going to be, if this one comes to the numerator, it's going to be 2 over 3 times 1 over 7 and 7t plus 5 raised to the power 3 over 2 plus c. Okay? So that's just going to be 2 all over 21, right? 3 times 7, 21. Okay? And that will be 7t plus 5 raised to the power 3 over 2 plus c, which is the final answer. Okay? So this is how we resolve this different type of integration. So we are applying the same formula. You just need to add 1 to the power, divided by the new power. Then, since the bracket is a linear function, the coefficient of that x, you invert it and multiply it by it, and that gives you the answer. Okay? Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.